Hey guys, Hayden here, and today we're going to be doing car racing. There's really some nice cars in there. So once again, we're at our grandma's house. As you can tell, her jewelry, her bed, and her stuff. And like I said, we're going to be doing a Disney World special. Okay, so we're going to be doing a Disney World special.
And look what the shirts he's wearing. Kids rock. Will kids stand strong for God? Bay Harbor Church.
Okay.
Woo!
So let's get started. And our first contestant are hold on. Firebird and Lexu Duty. Ready, set.
Hold the camera. Just look at the cars for a minute. Firebird. As you can tell. Firebird. You already saw that one, now look at this one.
Okay, ready, set, touch your engines.
Firebird. Let's show you this. Okay.
Ready, set, go.
This is the finish line.
Final lap. Good luck.
Oh, God.
MBX Coupe.
Oh, God.
MBX Coupe versus Sheriff. 3, 2, 1, start your engines.
Here's MBX Coupe. MBX. There. And your Sheriff.
3, 2, 1, start your engines.
Hey, comment down below who you want to win.
Let's look at the camera. Because they're getting closer. Woo! Get it off this thing. Final round. Good luck.
Sheriff! Woo! The winners go right here and the losers go right there. Here, look. These are the winners and these are the losers. And we're about to quit this video because we don't want it too long.
God. Keep on coughing.
Just about just a... Sorry guys, it's just jumping my... There's one more car in there, I felt it. Look at all the cars. Here's Toyota RC 24/7 and 24 hours. Right there. Okay. We're about to quit this video because we don't want it too long.
Okay.
It's already been 6 minutes. So pick
24 hours.
So we'll pick back up.
24 hours. That top.
It says 24 hours, right?
There. 24 hours.
Yep.
And next, this is Super Blitzing.
Come on, Super Blitzing.
Okay. Ready, set, start your engines. Hold on. What is it? Oh, it's not. Ready, set, good luck, race. Second lap. Final lap. Good luck, man.
Super Blitzing.
Comment down below which car you want to win. This is the car I want to win.
You get 25 seconds.
24 hours.
24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19,
Super Blitzing.
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Replay of that.
24 hours won!
24 hours!
Woo! Okay. I'm going to do something.
Guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Always follow and subscribe on Instagram and Twitter. Have a nice day and peace out.